Hey, I just made $425,000 on one small real estate deal. It was really simple to do, really easy. I bought a shell and core black frame single family home for $245,000. I converted it into a fourplex. I put a down payment of $75,000, which is 30%. So I only risked $75,000 of my money. I spent $100,000 on major renovation costs and forced the value of the property to go up. All right, forced appreciation. Now I got $44,000 back from the VAT 2 weeks after I purchased it, and $18,000 VAT back from the construction materials. Now my total invested cash is now what? $112,000. Now I turned this single family home, 400 meters, into 4 different apartments, into a fourplex, 4 100-meter apartments. All right, I added 30 meters on the top. All right, on the last floor, I created a loft. Now, the total rent per month, all of this is $3,700. Times that by 12 and you get $44,000, all right, as a GSI, the gross scheduled income. Now subtract 30% for expenses and you get $31,000. Now, if you want to get the valuation of the property, you take $31,000 divided by 0.045 and you get $690,000. All right, and $31,000 is your NOI, my net operating income. Now, you take $690,000 minus the money I spent, $112,000, minus the money I owe to the bank, $152,000, and you get $425,000. Guys, this is the only way you can build true wealth, wealth that lasts, by learning how to double and triple your money, by mastering how to invest in real estate. This is not learning how to buy a home. It's about investing in a property that actually cash flows positive, instead of a property that barely covers its mortgage payment. All right, follow my channel if this is something you see yourself doing in the future or right now, and register to my webinar to know what's going to happen in real estate for 2020, the type of properties you need to own right now, where the deals will be, and where it's going to happen, everything, what's hot moving forward. Okay, it's sanan-sanani. I'll see you inside. Welcome.
Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time and I hope my video today was valuable for you. Till next time. Don't forget to subscribe.